take it. So I learned this in the Boy Scouts. Grab your empty pillowcase. Cut. Just some simple Velcro. You take it. Right off. There. You're gonna take this side. You're gonna fold it over. Do this right on the other side. There. We're done. Let's show you how it works. Take this right here. Take the pillowcase. I want the Velcro to face me. And I'm going to show you why they taught me this in the Boy Scouts. You want the height where there's just barely any slack. And I'm going to take the top. I'm going to do one big knot. Go around the tree. Into the hole. Just like that. And we're done. So, when I like to take my naps, I need it completely dark. But it's bright outside. So what I do is I built myself this nice little tent. I'm just going to close it, and just like that, I can take a nap in the middle of the day in complete darkness.